The importance of introducing artificial intelligence AI education in schools was a key topic. At the annual Education Technology Conference in London, tech insiders advocate for young people to learn more about AI, as it becomes increasingly prevalent in our lives. At the British Educational Training and Technology Show BETT, companies showcased products designed to teach children about tech and AI. Ben Garside from Raspberry Pi emphasized the need for young people to understand how AI can support their interests, regardless of their career path. The UK's national curriculum, last updated in 2014, doesn't specifically mention AI, highlighting the need for its integration in education. Experts like Roger Grogan from Jam Coding and Alan Chan from 5 New Multimedia stress the importance of AI education starting as early as primary school. Microsoft acquisition of Minecraft and the development of Generation AI game aimed to teach children about responsible AI use. Dominica Gianni from Booker also emphasizes the need for children to understand AI's advantages and disadvantages before leaving school. BETT, running since the mid-1980s, attracts around 30,000 educators globally, showcasing the evolution of technology in education. This video explores the growing emphasis on AI education in schools, reflecting on insights from the BETT conference. The significance of artificial intelligence AI education in schools was a major focus at the annual Education Technology Conference in London. As AI continues to permeate various aspects of daily life, tech experts are advocating for its inclusion in school curriculums. The British Educational Training and Technology Show BETT featured presentations of products designed to educate children about AI. Speakers like Ben Garside from Raspberry Pi emphasized the need for students to understand AI's role in various industries. The UK's national curriculum, updated in 2014, does not specifically mention AI, highlighting a gap in current educational programs. Experts suggest that AI education should begin in primary school. Microsoft's Generation AI game is an initiative to teach children about the ethical use of AI. Dominica Gianni from Booker stressed the importance of students understanding AI's advantages and disadvantages. BETT, which attracts thousands of educators worldwide, demonstrates the evolving integration of technology education. This video provides insights into the importance of AI education in schools, based on the discussions at the BETT conference. The annual Education Technology Conference in London has put a spotlight on the growing need for artificial intelligence AI education in schools. As AI becomes increasingly integral to our daily lives, tech experts are calling for its inclusion in school curriculums. The British Educational Training and Technology Show BETT showcased a range of products aimed at teaching children about AI. Influential figures like Ben Garside from Raspberry Pi stress the importance of familiarizing students with AI, regardless of their future career paths. The UK's national curriculum, last updated in 2014, lacks specific references to AI, underscoring the need for educational reform. Experts advocate for AI education to start as early as primary school. Microsoft's Generation AI game is an example of innovative approaches to teaching ethical AI use. Dominica Gianni from Booker emphasizes the importance of students understanding the pros and cons of AI before completing their education. BETT, attracting educators globally, reflects the changing dynamics of technology in education. This video explores the significance of AI education in schools, drawing from the insights shared at the BETT conference. The integration of artificial intelligence AI into school curriculums is gaining momentum, as highlighted at the annual Education Technology Conference in London. This movement is driven by the increasing presence of AI in everyday life, prompting tech experts to advocate for its inclusion in educational programs. The British Educational Training and Technology Show BETT featured innovative products designed to educate children about AI. Key figures like Ben Garside from Raspberry Pi emphasized AI's relevance across various industries and the importance of introducing it to students early on. The UK's national curriculum, last revised in 2014, does not specifically mention AI, indicating a gap that needs to be addressed. Experts advocate for AI education beginning in primary school, with initiatives like Microsoft's Generation AI game focusing on the ethical use of AI. Dominica Gianni from Booker underlines the importance of students understanding both the benefits and challenges of AI before leaving school, BETT, which attracts thousands of global educators, showcases the evolving role of technology in education. This video delves into the growing emphasis on AI education in schools, based on insights from the BETT conference. The need for artificial intelligence AI education in schools is a growing focus, as discussed at the annual Education Technology Conference in London. With AI becoming a significant part of our daily lives, tech experts are pushing for its inclusion in educational curriculums. At the British Educational Training and Technology Show BETT, various companies presented tools and products aimed at educating children about AI and technology. Figures like Ben Garside from Raspberry Pi highlighted the universal impact of AI across industries, advocating for its early introduction in education. The UK's national curriculum, last updated in 2014, lacks specific mention of AI, underscoring the urgency for its integration. Experts like Roger Grogan and Alan Chen emphasize starting AI education in primary school. Microsoft's Generation AI Game is an innovative approach to teaching children about AI's ethical use. Dominica Gianni from Booker points out the necessity for children to understand AI's pros and cons before finishing school. BETT, attracting thousands of educators worldwide, reflects the changing landscape of technology in education. This video explores the importance of AI education in schools, drawing on insights from the BETT conference. The integration of artificial intelligence AI education in schools is becoming increasingly important, as highlighted at the annual Education Technology Conference in London. Tech experts are advocating for AI to be a part of the learning curriculum. Given its growing influence in our daily lives, the British Educational Training and Technology Show BETT showcased innovative products aimed at teaching children about technology and AI. Speakers like Ben Garside from Raspberry Pi emphasized the role of AI in various industries and the importance of understanding it from a young age. Despite the absence of AI in the UK's national curriculum, experts like Roger Grogan and Alan Chen stress the need for AI education to start in primary school. Microsoft's Generation AI Game is an example of teaching children about the ethical use of AI. Dominica Gianni from Booker highlights the importance of familiarizing children with both the advantages and disadvantages of AI before they leave school. BETT, attracting 30,000 educators globally, demonstrates the evolving role of technology in education. This video delves into the significance of AI education in schools, reflecting on the perspectives shared at the BETT conference.